Hi everybody, LJ Eats here, giving a demo of Data Abyss. I'm going to be making a couple of these 5-minute videos just going through different search functionalities within the platform. Initially I'm going to start on this search publications capability where we can search on titles, say search on a title with the term quantum, where we can use some of these additional filters if we're filtering on say extreme risk papers related to quantum in the title. And here over here, you immediately are able to identify PLA papers focused on quantum. And you can look through these papers, check out the affiliations. We can translate with Google Translate. And the URLs are here. We can filter on or sort by time if we're wanting to look for the most recent publications. And that's generally the idea. You can filter on keywords by clicking the keywords. We can get rid of this extreme risk, maybe look at very high risk, or just get rid of risk in general as a filter, and identify the various papers. So we have a keyword filter of unmanned aerial vehicles and quantum as a title. So it looks like these are UAV type quantum papers where potentially you'd use quantum algorithms or quantum comms to communicate and maneuver a UAV vehicle. We can go back and we could use the advanced search to say search on just affiliations. We can search on Ohio as a affiliation. And what you're seeing here is papers that have an affiliation Ohio with no title or no keyword searching, just generically looking for papers as an affiliation of Ohio. But what you see here is we've identified some risky papers with Ohio as an affiliation based on this risk indicator over here on the right. Ohio and the PLA. We could filter by risk, say very high. And what you see here is these papers with a very high risk affiliation and Ohio. You could additionally filter by award numbers or various keywords. You can click on any of these keywords if you're maybe looking for a specific potential paper on, say, let's click on jet. Uses that jet keyword and produces those results. So this is generally an idea if you want to look very high level. If you're looking for papers on your affiliation, your university, your entity, or a Chinese entity, US entity, entity out of Australia or the Netherlands, and then quickly identify those papers of potential risky collaboration based on the risky Chinese entities. And that's about it. Again, you could come here, use the publications, advanced search. You can search on keywords. We can use a keyword of quantum instead as a title search. And we're using this keyword search capability. And maybe we want to do look for US university papers where quantum's a keyword. Again, these are all typically Chinese funded publications. The aggregated data is Chinese literature data, science and technology data. So if you don't see a risk indicator here, that doesn't necessarily mean that there's not a Chinese entity. It just wasn't identified as a risk. but there could be potentially risky collaborations on these papers. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the demo, the quick 5-minute demo. I'll make additional demos on the other various search capabilities inside Data Abyss. Thank you.